Hey everyone, my name is Jocelyn Balls, but a lot of people call me by Josie. That's my nickname. It's a fun little picture of me from the summer too. So there's that. Um, my future job that I want to do, I want to be a marriage and family therapist, and I hope to one day own my own practice. And I know that's like super hard, and that's like way down the line, but I hope that's kind of the direction that I want to go. And the reason why I chose marriage and family is because I just love my own family, and I love helping them and seeing the problems that they have, and I love being able to hopefully help people in the future as well with that. Um, my education is kind of it's kind of still up in the air a lot. I plan on getting an undergraduate degree in psychology, with a couple of minors, and with those minors, it still is kind of in the air, and so I'm still kind of trying to decide. And then I plan on going and getting my graduate degree in marriage and family. I plan on doing this either at BYU or UVU or some school down in Utah. And then I really want to start an internship as soon as I can. I'm not quite there yet in my education, but I know that it is on the list, and I am super excited about it. I know, like I said, my education is still kind of in the air, and I'm still kind of um, flattening out the kinks. But my 4-year plan is kind of um, on schedule to have me finish a year early, because with that graduate degree, it'd be six at least 6 years of schooling, and I'm not quite sure if I want to do quite 6 years. And so I have a year of me finishing a year early, meaning that I take fall, winter, and spring classes. And like it says here, I'm planning on majoring in psychology and getting my graduate in marriage and family. Um, Now with my 4-year plan, it's like not quite exactly the way that I want it right now, because I'm still working with my academic advisor and kind of just figuring out what minors I want to have in order to kind of stick out for graduate school. I chose psychology because I love to help people. I love talking to people and being able to hear their own stories and kind of what they came from and how they are right now. I would say that like my reasoning compared to that list in chapter 13 is very, very similar. Um, I plan to use psychology a lot in my future. I plan to use it every single day. I know that as I've taken my psychology classes that I have recently, like I still use it a lot. Um, and I think that psychology is something that we all can use in every aspect, because it's important just to know how people work and how people function, how people express their emotions. And so that's kind of why I wanted to do it. And that is kind of all of this presentation.